Sri Lanka led well by Demo. And another opener slotted in numbers in the first test match and then injured himself. In swinger will be it's not necessarily the part to come in and eat into those. Be conventional in style, size, crowd as well. Kids, it's always good to see them and a lot of active. Doesn't come back. Bowls that egg. The batter for 4. 6 for 1. 59 games for Kus. Goes straight in and leans into it. Looking for the in-swinger, but he batted here in ball. That was Madhushkar. Back into the stumps. On the front foot early on against China. With the exit. Last 2-3 years been a part of can be tough. Last few days. Great timing and footwork was slightly fuller, pitching down the ground. Qualities as a test player. What Karnaratna and Dhananjay De Silva. Playing surface. Doom and gloom. Hitting that way. Madhushkar dismissed. Sahin Shah Afridi from over the wicket gets close in the gap for 4. The very first miss needs to be answered. That's most of the Sri Lankan batsmen are getting overbalanced and Sahin Shah over. Impressive. What? Well, they've got 2 in. Had him up. On the other swinger thinks Sahin Shah's achievement for Kusal Mendes in this inning. But don't forget it. The boundary. No. Batsmen around the world, he doesn't get. In the ball to improve upon. Out. Create that kind of impact. Reverse swing was there, not many. Yeah. Nice is seldom see him hitting that. He hits the ball. He's 7 for 2. But I'm wondering whether it's gone all the way. For a moment I thought it was a spongy buff. Talk of and watch with the breath. Should go all the way. A bit of width outside the off stump. Nice. Yeah, it's been length that he's been probing against. But these things are highlighted. Couple of runs. And his body. Why he had to push at the ball. Left out, he captained the Sri Lanka side. For the umpire's decision. Over the wicket. To the leg side. Karunaratne goes for 20. 106. Ratna and Mendes back in the pavilion. thing we've noticed with Edge. He just breaks. Playing his fifth. Yes, it was flying. Probably would have. That's a good decision. They were definitely, often than not, he's been shaping it. Deft touch from Dhananjay. Presents an easy opportunity way down the leg side. Right side over. He's oh, I love it. Fine. On the leg side. Was gone, 62. Back of the hand, Matthew. There's 5 of them. Sensor. Right side over. Oh, Revive Pakistan, courtesy that man, ably supported by Nasim Shah. For